Okay, I just wanted to show how to take this pill apart. Basically, here's how it comes apart. And you don't need to do this in any particular order, but these end caps snap off. There's 3 bloops that hold them on to the main chassis. I've snapped this other end cap off already. The next thing you can do is take the cover off over all the buttons, and basically you need a putty knife, and you install that putty knife under here, and the cover pries up and pries off. And then the last part, to avoid damaging really the unit, what I did was I slipped the putty knife into this groove here, and I brought it all the way along the edge so that the front grille slips off. And then you'll notice there's 10 screws that you'll need to take out of there. Once you take these 10 screws out, the unit just pops apart like this. The battery, the 2 speakers, and the circuit board are all accessible. So basically what you need is a screwdriver, a putty knife, and the thing comes apart, and there's really very little damage to anything. Put it back together in the opposite way.